Straight talk phones get stuck in roaming when they fail to connect to their primary network like Verizon or AT&T. This can cause data throttling or service loss. Roaming happens when your device connects to a partner network outside Straight Talk's main coverage. If your phone doesn't switch back to the home network, you're stuck. Two key fixes are manual network selection and APN adjustments. For manual network selection, force your phone to find and connect to the right network. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Operators, Search Networks. Select your Straight Talk affiliated network like Verizon or AT&T. On iOS, go to Settings, Cellular, Network Selection, toggle off Automatic, and then select the correct network. For APN settings, APN is the gateway for your data. Incorrect settings can cause roaming. For Straight Talk, the APN settings are typically named Straight Talk, APF TITA for Verizon Sprint SIMs, or AE.MVNO for AT&T SIMs, MMSC, MMSTF.net, MS Proxy, MS3TrackPhone.com, port 80. To reset, go to Settings, Network, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names, and enter these settings exactly. Always start here to try and fix the problem. If network selection and APN resets don't work, try these additional troubleshooting steps. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Next, restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Use the Straight Talk SIM Toolkit app for built-in diagnostics. Note that OS updates may conflict with carrier software. Looking ahead, AI is increasingly managing network issues. Straight Talk's recent app update includes automated network diagnostics. While 5G adoption intensifies roaming problems due to spotty handoffs, future technology like eSIMs could eliminate SIM-related roaming by enabling seamless network switches. Regulatory trends may also force carriers to offer roaming-free guarantees. Here are some real-world examples. For a rural user in Texas, resetting APN to TF data restored service. Near borders, enabling preferred network to AT&T and updating APN often fixes issues. If these steps fail, contact Straight Talk support for a SIM swap.